Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows Server version, static IP, DNS chosen, and updates applied. Once done, install the Active Directory Domain Services role. You can use Server Manager or PowerShell for speed. Why this first? Because AD requires a stable network identity and DNS to function, so set the static IP and point DNS to your server or forwarder. Make sure the administrator account is secured. Now enable the ADDS role and mark the server ready for promotion to. You will now promote the server to a domain controller using the ADDS configuration wizard. Choose whether to create a new forest or join an existing domain. Enter the FQDN, set the forest and domain functional levels, and set the directory services restore mode password. Once you promote, install and verify DNS is integrated. Create a forward lookup zone matching your domain, add a and NS records for the controller, and ensure replication settings are correct if multiple DCs exist. You finish by creating organizational units, baseline group policies, and accounts. Organize now to avoid sprawl. Then verify replication health with repadmin and validate DNS using ENSLOOKUP. Make sure DHCP assignments point to the correct DNS. Once the environment is stable, test user logon and group policy application. If things go wrong, check the system and directory service event logs first. Then confirm time synchronization, NTP, firewall ports for LDAP/DNS/SMB, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.